Your immune system is your defense against bacteria, viruses, and even cells that arise in the body and ultimately turn into cancer cells. You need a healthy immune system to recognize them and knock them out. Well, there are certain parts of the diet that get in their way, and there's some parts of the diet that can help. What gets in the way is, well, first of all, our old enemy, animal fat, that has been blamed, of course, for heart disease and certain forms of cancer. Well, it's not so hot for your immune system either. If you take a blood sample and you look at it under a powerful microscope, you see all the red blood cells that carry oxygen, but you also see white blood cells. Those are the soldiers in your immune system, and they can swallow up viruses, swallow up cancer cells, and digest them. That's the way your immune system works. Well, they can't work in an oil slick. If you've got an awful lot of grease in your diet interfering with the function of these white blood cells, their ability to recognize invaders and to engulf them is diminished. High cholesterol foods also get in the way, and there's some evidence that sugary foods, the typical junk food that we've been concerned about for a lot of reasons, that might be unhealthful too. Now, there are some foods that are going to help you. We have a lot of evidence that beta-carotene-rich foods, carrots, or sweet potatoes, or cantaloupes, that they can boost immune function. And when I say boost immune function, what I mean is that we will test different individuals' white blood cells by purifying them and mixing them with a standard sample of cancer cells in the test tube, and you can see some people have more powerful immune ability to knock out cancer cells than others do. Vegetarians have about twice the immune ability compared to meat eaters, and part of this is because their diets are rich in beta-carotene, they're rich in vitamin C, they're rich in many other vitamins, and they don't have the cholesterol and animal fat that are interfering.
Lots of studies have been done in the effects of cooked food and the immune system. Interestingly enough, and scary as it is, studies have actually shown that each time you take a morsel of cooked food and put it in your mouth, your body actually responds immediately by having white blood cells just flow through your blood. And that's basically the body's way, the same way it would react to a virus or an outside antigen. And so we know that cooked food has this effect on the body, causes an inflammatory response in the body, and overall will reduce our immune system. Obviously, white sugars, stress, lack of sleep, all these things are going to weigh down our body's natural ability to fight off and maintain health.